filmed this whole way. You already recording.
What's up, man? Hey,
What's
man.
up?
How's it going?
You alright?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
How do you put it on there? You have to drill it or you stick
Well, it has like some sticky mount grip on it. So like, you know, you just...
Like a suction or like a double-sided tape type thing?
Yeah, like some really sticky gummy stuff. It like grips on a lot of stuff.
Is it hot inside the helmet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now that it's hot outside, you know.
Robert.
Yeah, so she's here.
I don't think we have. Yeah.
This has been a great journey.
You talked about him like he. Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir. I see it. I see it. Kawasaki Ninja 500R. Looking pretty minty. What happened?
This is your first, like, did you try to ride or?
No, this is my first vehicle ever, really.
Oh, okay.
But I rode a Honda CRF 150, yeah, dirt bike. But this is, this is like the same thing. It's a street legal dirt bike, Enduro.
It's a strong beginner.
A new rider is born.
Getting the hang of it, I just don't feel comfortable with,
Yeah.
Have you fallen off your bike?
Nah.
No.
No.
I
shit.
off of that one.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Dang. That's crazy. Man, fuck. I'm gonna take a ride with you.
Huh? No, but it was like going like that fast.
Yeah. How fast did y'all go?
I think I hit 15.
15? Yo.
Have you been on the freeway?
Nah, hell no. I'm not even a driver. So I'm like, I'm new to this whole thing. That was awesome. That looks like a good size for you. I don't know. I'm nervous to hop on a 500.
Oh, like shit out of it. That looks dangerous at the same time.
24 miles on
For now.
Yeah.
There's like a little screw or something I gotta find.
Man, I don't know, dude. Let me try this.
I think it's the same, dude.
Yeah? Would I stall out?
Probably. Is the kickstand down?
Oh yeah.
You're in first with the kickstand down?
Damn, my
It cuts
bad,
it off.
bro.
That's cool.
That's not a good thing. That could cause an accident.
Huh?
That could cause an accident. With the kickstand down.
That's why the safety is on there for, so you wouldn't have ridden off with the kickstand down.
Huh, nice. I like it. Oh. Cars are coming. Turn this thing around. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, I felt it. That's crazy, man.
Feel the heat?
Yeah, I feel it, man. Oh, man. Dude. Not bad at all, bro. Not bad. This thing, yeah. It's weird, like, once you let off the throttle, like, I guess, I don't know, I felt like the tires are so grippy, like, the stop, like when you let off the gas, like you kind of
Slows
feel
down?
the traction or
Yeah.
something. Yeah. But, and then, you know, it's so easy to, like, just cruise in like, at, like, 10 miles an hour, and then once you just, like, you know, you just feel that power just kick in. It's a different thing for me,
It
man.
feels different?
Yeah.
It's like a lot different from yours?
Yeah, I would say. You gotta hop on my bike now, man.
So first is neutral, in first, and then if you go up, then you go into neutral, or you go into second.
Yeah, first is first, and then neutral, second, third, fourth, fifth. So,
Drive it up, slowly let off the clutch, and give it a little bit of gas, you know. Make sure
that's how it is?
put it in first. Yeah, keep the clutch in.
But I'm not giving gas.
What happened?
I'm not giving gas. That's how it is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, look. I put it in first?
Yeah, put it in first. It's on neutral. Yeah, that's good. There you go. There you go, man.
Oh, shit. Oh, hell. That's way different from mine.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels weird.
So I'm buying one.
He's
Not
next.
today.
He's next.
Yeah.
Future rider.
Yeah.
And then this guy's next.
Yeah. You want to take it for a little spin?
He's gonna come with the 600. He's gonna be like, look what I got, 600.
Bitches.
Yeah. This is great. This is great. Oh fuck! Damn. I'm good, dude. Thank you, sir. God damn it. Just these damn turns.
Now, I hear you.
Fuck. This is not good.
You got on these Enduros, you got a little less than like a rack and pinion.
Yeah,
A little looser.
yeah.
I'm James, by the
I
way.
just made it. Oh, thank you.
What's your name?
Aaron.
Aaron? Nice to
Yeah.
meet you. My name is James.
Nice to meet you.
This is exactly where I feel.
Fuck, man. Yeah. I mean, I almost
hit the
busted my
curb?
ass down there where it was wet. You know, too much of a wide turn and I slowed down.
That's what happened to me.
Like, what the
listen,
fuck?
Every rider falls.
Yeah, I know.
I've owned quite a few R6s and R1s. Every rider falls. It just depends on when you fall.
Yes,
That's all.
sir. Yes, sir. That's the truth.
Don't sweat it.
This is my first day falling. So, I'm a new rider, by the way, so. God damn it.
Might want to cut the switch off.
Yeah, man.
Cut the
switch, you give it a little switch down like this, just to make sure all your because when you drop it like that,
Yeah.
you're gonna have gas come up on the side.
Yeah, but someone was leaking out.
And you'll have oil jump up. So just swish it down, and you ain't gonna have no problems. I mean, it puts a little scratch on it and shit, but
Yeah.
it is what it is, you know.
Yes, sir.